We're the KitPlus Show in Media City, and I'm with Oliver from Audio Alliance. Hi, Oliver.
Hey, how are you doing?
Very good. Now,
Excellent.
We've got a brand new product you're talking about here today.
We have, yeah, we've got the Yamaha DM7 here, which is a new console from Yamaha that was launched last week. It's really interesting because it's the first time they're kind of specifically hitting the broadcast market, so there's some great new features on it that are very broadcast specific. And it's just great to have such a new and groundbreaking product here.
So tell us about those new features. What can people expect to see on this?
So they've added some great features, like there's now broadcast metering built into the desk, so you can it's got built-in loudness metering. There's things like backstop PFL, which is a broadcast specific need. And quite a few new things. The broadcast software is coming later this year, so it's going to be really interesting to see those broadcast-specific features integrated within this type of console.
Absolutely. And how have you found the show so far?
Really good, really busy actually. Really nice to see lots of people come down to see us and see our new products. So yeah, it's been really good.
Absolutely. So for people that haven't managed to get here today, where can they find out more information?
So you can find more information on the desk on YamahaProAudio.com or on our website, AudioAlliance.com.
Fantastic. Do check out the website and do check out KitPlus TV on YouTube for everything else that we are doing at the show today.